morning. So I'm off to Niagara Falls this beautiful chilly morning, about 16-17 degrees, even though it's beginning of August. This is gonna be my longest ride ever on the bike. Toronto to Niagara Falls, about 150 kilometers we're gonna do today. My current record is about 75 kilometers. So hopefully we will see you at the Niagara Falls tonight. First 10 kilometers is done. We're in Mississauga right now. We passed by about, I don't know, a dozen of rabbits. They're just jumping in front of you. They want to always run right in front of your front wheel. And plus, you know, this part of a route in Mississauga is in the park. And it's surrounded by trees. So it's pretty much in the middle of the forest. So there is no light. And it's like 5-ish something a.m. And all these rabbits are jumping in front of you. So challenging part. We had 2 skunks as well. Second one was pretty scary because he passed right in front of me, so I had to literally hit my brakes. But everything is good, so we keep going. First 20 is done. Man, it's so cold. It's August 6th today. Didn't expect it would be this cold. We're just looking for some Tim Hortons or something to grab a warm coffee quickly and continue the journey. The sun is rising. We just stopped for a quick coffee refill. The morning is pretty chill, you know, even though we've done less than 30 kilometers, but it's so cold. I didn't expect it would be so cold. So we're really glad to see the sun is up. Hopefully it's going to be a little bit warmer right now. Back on the road. So about 1/3 of the distance is done. About 50 kilometers is behind. We feel well. About 100 k's left to our destination. We're in Burlington right now. Beautiful, quiet neighborhoods. By the way, there is a nice life hack. If you're planning to go to Niagara from Toronto, just literally do it on the weekend. Today is a Sunday. The roads are empty, there are no cars, no people. Instead of cycling on a small bike lanes, you know, when it's still dark and all the wild animals are running there, we just literally went on the road. It was completely empty. One car every 5 minutes. The sign says it's a portal somewhere. I don't know, maybe directly to the Niagara Falls. Oh no, it says Toronto, Ontario. Okay, here we go. Back to Toronto. Short break after 50 kilometers. So about 65 kilometers from Toronto, and this, I would say, the most unpleasant part of the route has started. So there is a highway, your road, there is nothing there, nothing there. You're just between two big roads. I mean, but we really enjoyed the first 65 kilometers, you know, in Mississauga, in Oakville, in Burlington, under the bridge. Let's see what's going to be over there. Last 10 minutes we have been fighting with the wind. The wind is blowing directly in our faces. Whew. So this is the most challenging for me. Not uphills, not even biking under the rain. No, it's when the wind is blowing directly into your face. But we done it. Seems like there is a little bit less wind. It is so windy here that I cannot even film anything. I just done 75 kilometers. So it's a halfway, but for me 75 kilometers is my personal record. This is the longest I have ever biked in one time. So yeah, now we're going to set a new one. And we're here in Grimsby-on-the-Lake. Nice town. Never been here, but I just love it already. Very new, all these townhouses, all these buildings, they look so cool. So old-fashioned and still very, very modern. Our first 100 kilometers. We're so glad. We just had to stop to celebrate it a little bit. But we just passed 100 kilometers mark. It's first time for me, for him as well. So we're just extremely happy. Almost nothing's left. 50 kilometers is left. Another pit stop. This is the subways in St. Catherine, huh? Here we go. Cheers! ...130 kilometers, Niagara-on-the-lake. There is the US on that side. So we've done 130 kilometers and now we're hitting the last part of this route. It's about 20 kilometers of extremely steep uphill here at the Niagara-on-the-lake. So this is the part that we were afraid of the most, just because we knew we would be really tired, and it's just super steep. It goes just super up. So we'll see. Hopefully we'll be able to bike up. If not, we'll walk. But anyways, we'll be there in 20 kilometers.